Okay, so let me just get everything out first.
This over here.
This part, these parts, connecting tube. How is it supposed to work? Okay, so it's like you gotta like
push that down.
yeah.
Oh, it's hard to push.
Yeah, it is. There we go.
Oh, you got it.
Anyway, those go on like that, and you go in until it clicks in like there. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, these pads, they got like a glue on them. And you just put them on there. See, like that. And like that. Then this, just press, at least that one. No idea why that button isn't pressing down. Why is that one not pressing down? Come on. It's pressing down, but not all the way.
Because I think it's in crooked. Can you take that side out? Oops. I think you have to put them in at the same time. Oops.
It's just not pressing in.
What if you use something hard to try and press it in like this?
Okay, there we go.
It did work?
Yeah, it is
It's
working. It's
stiff
just this plug popped off. I don't know why this plug's fine, but the other one doesn't. Here. Doing some investigation. That's weird. I don't know, it should be fine. It's like that.
Do that side first, because that's the harder side. Okay, there you got it.
Anyway, yeah, then we take the timer. It's supposed to slot in.
Okay.
There we go.
Got it? Okay, awesome. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Yay, ab laser. Can't wait to try it out. If you want to see me try out the awesome Ab Mazer, make sure to become a member of my channel. As low as 99 cents, you can watch me work out with the Ab Mazer, as well as work out with a punching machine that I got. So make sure to become a member of Robin's Buys and DIYs. Just hit that subscribe plus button, and you can watch me work out with this amazing Ab Mazer. So become a member today. For just 99 cents a month, it's amazing!